What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at the thread pool executor versus the process pool executor. So Python's concurrent.futures model actually provides two parallel execution tools, which is the thread pool executor and process pool executor. While both of them manage worker pools for asynchronous task execution, they differ fundamentally. The thread pool executor uses threads within a single process, whereas the process pool executor creates separate processes, and this distinction significantly impacts performance, resource utilization, and overall application design. So the key differences between the threads and the process involves on grounds of the features, the thread pool executor and the process pool. For the worker type, thread pool executor works with threads, but then the process pool executor works with processes. On the feature of memory sharing, thread pool executor is shared within the process, but then a process pool is separated. It uses IPC. GIL impact, thread pool executor is subjected to GIL, but then the process pool is not subjected to GIL. So for the feature is best for on the thread pool executor is good for IO bound tasks, but then the process pool executor is good for, or best for CPU bound tasks. For scalability, thread pool executor is between 10s to 1000s threads possible, and then for the process pool executor, that's 10s of processes practical. And then on the grounds of overhead, thread pool executor is lightweight, but then the process pool executor is heavyweight. So the global interpreter lock is a critical consideration if it prevents multiple threads from executing Python bytecode simultaneously, limiting true parallelism. And in the thread pool executor dot process pool executor bypasses this limitation by using separate processes with independent interpreters. So that's it for this video. If you don't understand anything, do well to post in the comment section. Let's move to the next video.